In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a refund paid to a customer in Zoho Books. Now, whether you're a small business owner or handling the finances for a larger operation, keeping your records accurate and up to date is crucial. Refunds are a common part of business, and recording them correctly ensures your financial statements are always precise. Let's dive into the process. We'll start by logging into Zoho Books. Once you've logged in, you're going to look for the Sales section in the main menu. This is where you'll find all transactions related to sales, and it's your gateway to managing invoices, credit notes, and more. Navigate through this menu and click on Sales. By doing this, you're setting the stage for retrieving the necessary credit note you want to work with. Now, find credit notes within the Sales section and click on it. Credit notes are vital for tracking returns or refunds, and this section houses all the credit transactions that you've recorded. If you've issued a credit note to a client previously, this is where you can access it to facilitate your refund process. From the list of credit notes, you'll need to choose the relevant one. Scan through the options. If you have many, use the filters or search option to narrow down the choices to find the specific credit note related to the refund you're processing. Once found, click on it to open its details. You're going to see the information related to this particular transaction, including amounts and dates. On this page, you'll notice a button or link labeled Refund. By clicking on this, you're telling Zoho Books that you're ready to proceed with the refund associated with the chosen credit note. Follow up by confirming your action by clicking OK when prompted. This part signals the system to transition into the refund mode. The next step involves inputting the refund details. You'll first need to specify the amount being refunded. By clicking on Amount, you can enter the exact figure. It's important here to ensure that this number aligns with what was originally reported on the credit note to prevent any discrepancies in your records. Moving on, click on Refunded On to set the date of the refund. This is pivotal when you're dealing with date-specific accounting practices, as the refund date impacts when the transaction is logged. Next, you'll address the payment method by clicking on Payment Mode. Choose the correct mode through which the refund was issued, whether it's by direct transfer, check, or another method. Next up, clicking on Reference Number allows you to enter any necessary identifiers or transaction numbers associated with the refund process. This could be a bank confirmation number or a check number, ensuring everything is traceable. Afterward, define the account from which the funds will come by clicking on From Account. This step is crucial to balance your accounts correctly. Choose the appropriate bank or cash account you maintain in Zoho Books. For further clarity and internal records, a description can be added by clicking on Description. Here you might note the reason for the refund or any pertinent details that provide additional context for the transaction. Finally, complete the process by clicking Save. This officially records the refund in Zoho Books, integrating it into your financial paperwork. Remember, accurate record keeping is key to healthy business management. By following these steps, you ensure that your refund transactions are accurately recorded, keeping your financial records in excellent shape. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.